In this video, I'm going to show how do you move the particle flow from A to B, and when it's moved to B, it will change the color, the size, and the number of it. So the way I do it is you go to the PDF source and you just draw the plane here, and you scroll down the time, you can see the particle are moving down from the plane. But if you want the particle flow to move from the box here, you need to go to the particle field, and you see the particle icon here. We don't want this, and you delete it. And you change it to the position object here. Then you click on this one and go add, and click on the box here. And scroll down the time, you can see the particle system are moving down from the box. And now you want the particle flow to move from the box A to the box B. So I go to the find target. Then you go to the find target here. Then you scroll down, and you can't click on the add because you need to select the smash object. Then you go to add and click on the box B. Then you can see that the particles are moving from A to B. If you want to show it, see it more easily, you can change the display to geometry. So it's moving from A to B. And now I'm going to show how do you change the color and the size and the number of it on the particle when you have meets B. Then you go to the swap here. Then you don't put it underneath, you put it down here. Then you connect the find target to here. So you can change so if you go down the time here, you can see that it has changed the geometry to a tick, because in this one it is a tick. If you don't want a tick, you can change it as a dot or as a circle or as a line. But in this way, I'm going to change it as geometry, so the same thing here. So in the swap here, you can make this have a more number of it, producing more, multiply the particle flow. So you can click by distance here, so you can see that when it meets B, there are more particle flow. You scroll down to it, so you can see that there are more and more particle flow has been multiplied up. You can change the number here to suit the number that you want. So I make it to 5, so there are more particles. So if you make a bigger number, maybe to 6, there are more particle flow. Yep, and that's it for the video.